Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a stand in Please Donate. First, enter the game and locate an available stand. These are typically marked as unclaimed. Simply approach one and press the designated interaction button, usually E on your keyboard, to claim it as your own. This initial step is quick and easy, taking only a few seconds to secure your spot in the donation plaza. Once your stand is claimed, it's time to make it unique. An Edit button will appear, granting you access to customization options. Here, you can select from a variety of colors to make your stand visually appealing. More importantly, you can write a custom message on your sign, which is crucial for attracting donors. A compelling message can significantly increase your chances of receiving donations. To receive donations, you must create game passes on the platform's website. Go to your games page, then find the Associated Items section. Here, you can create new game passes, assigning them different Robux values, such as 10, 50, or 100. After saving these, return to Please Donate, and your newly created game passes will automatically populate your stand as interactive donation buttons, ready for players to use. With your stand set up and donation buttons active, the next step is to engage with the community. Chat with other players, thank those who donate, and be patient. When someone donates, the Robux goes into a pending state for a few days, typically 3 to 7 days, as part of the platform's processing. After this period, the Robux will be fully transferred to your account, ready for you to use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.